Okay, I'm going to show you some ways you can get onto Teams, and then you can decide which way you want to do it. So I'm in Clever, and we favorited Teams, so I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to sign in to the account. It's your email and then your password that is on your password sheet. So if this pops up, you're going to go to use the web app, and mine pops up because I've downloaded it. It might ask you to download the app to your computer, and go ahead and download the app and save it to your desktop so that you don't have to keep clicking different buttons. It'll already be on there the next time you use it. So this is what it looks like. If I go to calendar on the side over here, it's going to show me all my team calls that I have to go to for the day. So you can see I've been in team calls before, but I'm going to go to this one because this is the one that's going to be on your computer. So on Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning, there's a Zoom call. You're going to click it, and then mine looks a little different because I made the Zoom call, but it's going to have this, you're going to see a blue box that says join, and click join, and it's going to pop up your picture, and then you'll see everyone else in the class for a video call. That is one way to get onto Teams. Another way is up here. I'm going to go back to my Clever portal, is to go through your email, because your email and your Teams account are together, and your Schoology account, they're all linked together. So I'm going to go to my email. And down here at the bottom, there's a little calendar. I'm going to click it. And then on Friday at 8 a.m., I have a team call, so I'm going to click it. And then over here, once I click Friday, it's going super slow. So once it clicks onto Friday, it's just frozen right now. Oh, there it goes. It's going to say join, and that little symbol right there is the Teams symbol. That's why there's a little T and there's two people. And I'm just going to click join, and it's going to open up. It might ask you to download the app. Go ahead and save the app to your desktop and download. And that's how you're going, the team window will pop up just like this, and you will be able to see everybody on the meeting. The last way that you can get onto Teams that I'm told is to go to Clever, go to Schoology. You're going to type in your email and your password. Mine, sometimes if you do it too many times, it'll pop up automatically, so you don't have to. Go to Courses, click on Miss Joseph's Homeroom. And if you go down on the side over here, you see something called Teams Meeting. You can click that, and it will take you to the app, the Teams app. And I've looked, you'll have to sign in sometimes. Some students have that on the side and some do not. So you'll have to go in and try all three ways and see which way is easiest for you and just try to get on Teams that way. And don't forget, we're meeting 8 o'clock in the morning on Friday on Teams, and it's already loaded into your calendars. You'll just have to go and click join.